In this video, I'm going to show you how to make wonderfully delicious Korean-style cucumber salad in just about 5 minutes. This is a foolproof recipe that is guaranteed to taste great no matter who makes it. Then I'm going to show you how to make cucumber kimchi by just brining the cucumbers before mixing them with the sauce. So I've got 6 small cucumbers that have been sitting in my fridge for a couple of weeks, so I need to use these right away because they're gonna go bad really soon. I'm just gonna cut these all up in 1/4 inch thick slices. So here are the cucumbers all sliced up. I also have some leftover onion that's been in my fridge for who knows how long, so I'm gonna use it up. But if you don't like onion, this is totally optional. You don't have to add onion. So I'm adding all of that onion as well. So this is actually a bit much, but again, I really like onions, so this will be fine. These are the ingredients that you'll need to make the sauce. You need some fish sauce, and I just get whatever is the cheapest. I think this bottle cost $1 or something like that. You'll need some mirin, and I just noticed that the English spelling is missing. So this is mirin is rice cooking wine. It says here in Korean mirin. In English, it's spelled M-I-R-I-N. And I think when you go to an Asian grocery store, you'll be able to find a bottle of mirin with the English spelling on it. I don't know why this one doesn't have it. I think it's because I just bought whatever was the cheapest cheapest bottle of mirin. And then you'll also need some rice vinegar and some sesame oil. And then some sugar, some gochugaru, which is a Korean word for red pepper flakes. Oh, and also, you can't see it here, you also need about a tablespoon of crushed garlic. So I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of mirin. And then a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Two tablespoons of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Last but not least, a teaspoon of fish sauce, which will give it a wonderful flavor. I'm just gonna mix everything together now. I've transferred over all the cucumbers to a pretty bowl, and now I'm going to just mix in the sauce. In order to make kimchi, just brine the cucumbers in about ½ tablespoon of salt. Get all the cucumber slices nicely coated with salt and let sit for about 20 minutes. So the cucumbers that I brined, I'm going to rinse these off now.